Hello. Namaskar Swamiji. Thank you. Shraddha এবং কৃতজ্ঞতা আপনার প্রতি. My name is Sadia. I will ask the more simple question because of time, and that is, how does a lay person go about choosing a life partner that flourish into a healthy relationship and at the same time stay true to the divine path?
Yeah. No. That threw me. Yes. You realize you're asking a monk. Yeah. The rather dreary and disappointing answer is that it's all predetermined by our prarabdha karma. We only think you're choosing, but you sort of end up with what we deserve, what we are fated to. Yeah, but some practical advice, but it's not entirely out of the realm of spirituality, because these are relationships which are very, very important. And because they consume so much of our time and energy, it's very important to have somebody who's like-minded, who has got some spiritual aspiration. Might not be exactly the same as you have. I've seen couples who are spiritual, both of them are spiritual, maybe in different ways. That's perfectly fine. If you're spiritual in the same way, even better. That's also wonderful. But if you have some spiritual inclination and a serious spiritual practice, that's very good. Otherwise, there's too much friction. Somebody's pulling you towards the world, and somebody's pulling you towards something that seems very otherworldly, and then it leads to unhappiness. It leads to there's no fulfillment in the world at all. Both of them are jumping into the world, and so we are all like-minded, and we are both like-minded in the worldly sense. Well, we are going to be likely to be very unhappy after some time. And then maturity comes, some kind of spiritual awakening or interest in spiritual life comes. So yes, this much only I can suggest is that choose a life partner, if possible, who has some interest in spirituality. I mean, takes it seriously in his or her own way. Okay, that's a good one. Thank you.